What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, I've really been enjoying the Pixel 8 Pro over the last few days. It's now the following week on from when it got delivered, so now it's time to get things started. We've got a bunch of cases. Screen protector's getting installed today, so I'm going to show you that, show you the fingerprint reader, you know, all the good stuff, and then I've got a case ready to go, and then there'll be more cases coming straight after this, so make sure you stay tuned, because the reason I want to do this now is so that when I show you the cases I can show you with the screen protector fitted, so you know it's going to work. Now obviously with the Pixel 8 Pro having that flat screen now, so much better than having the curved. I do prefer having a flat display. Like obviously I've got the Pixel Fold, and of course I'm using the iPhone 15 Pro Max right now as well. Now to get this show started, let's get into it. Got the Spigen GLAStR Align Master. It's a 2-pack. You can scan there to watch the video, or just stay right here. If you flip it over, don't go a minute, just say made for Google Pixel. Flipping it over, oleophobic coating. Love the oleophobic coating when the water runs off it. Real glass, 9H surface hardness, delicate touch, Spigen case friendly. Now I do have a Spigen case coming. I've already got it actually. Let me see if I've got it with me. I have. It's the Spigen case. Stay tuned for that one. That one is coming very soon. Let's go ahead and get this out and let's see what you get inside the Spigen box. Of course, love Spigen products, love like the ease of use that they've got. There's nothing else in that box, so let's take it out. You get your jig, this is going to go around the phone. You get your installation tools, that is really cool. Spigen branding on the top, little push thing there, and a nice, that's nice, that's really nice. Spigen have done well with that one. Thank you for choosing Spigen. Team Spigen, of course. Watch the installation video, how to do it, or as I say, stick around. So you get 2 in the box. There's the one I'm going to install today. So inside there you should have 2 lots of stuff. Because obviously you've got another one that you're going to want to fit. So you've got your dust removal stickers. So you're going to need 1 set. You've got your nice Spigen microfiber and a lens and screen cleaner mic. Now I am going to use the Spigen one, because you know everyone always says, why do you use the nice ones? You don't show us what you're using the real ones. So we're back to doing that, back to doing the real one. Let's go ahead and get set up for this. Let me Spigen on this side, Align Master this side. Don't think it matters, it doesn't say top or bottom. Taking the assumption it sort of goes on this way like that, but we'll fit that in a second after we give the screen a good thorough cleaning, which you know you need to do. So let's go ahead, tear that open, nice wet wipe. Let's go ahead, get into it. Give that screen a nice thorough good cleaning, because obviously you know you'll have been using it for a day, a few days, whatever, and you've got all that debris, finger crap all over the screen. So get it nice and clean. It doesn't tell you this step, but I always do it anyway. Take the microfiber and just go over it. Just don't go just don't go like heavy on it, but just go nice and light, and that way you know you're just taking that bit of wetness off the screen to make sure that the screen protector adheres to the screen. That's the last thing you want, is it not sticking because the screen is too wet. Done. So now you're going to take one of your dust removal stickers. I always aim for the bigger one. Hold it up in between your thumb and your middle finger, and then you're just going to dab across the screen. And I always keep it handy just in case, because obviously you're going to take this out. Flip it around that way so you know which way it is. Of course, next thing you're going to take your jig and you're going to place it over like so. This is where you're going to align it into. Okay, so then I always just do another double check. So obviously we've been busy doing stuff there, so just to make sure, you're going to go ahead and remove the back film, but don't touch the inner layer of the screen protector. Take it out like so. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to place it in the alignment tray up to the edges. Let it go. Then you're going to press and slide your finger down. I always do this just a few times just to make sure. Press and slide, press and slide, and then I give it roughly about 30 seconds just to do its thing, and then we'll come back and we'll see how it is, and obviously we might get to use our new squeegee tool, which I'm looking forward to. So let's see how it does, and then we'll take this off, squeegee it all out, and see how it looks. Okay, so I think we've gone as far as we can with it now. I've waited somewhere in the region of a minute just to make sure. Got a couple of little specks here and there, so let's go ahead, push down, take this out, place it to one side, so obviously you're going to use it for your second one in case anything never went wrong with your first, or you want to give it away to somebody. So let's have a little look. I've got one there, a couple around the edge. So let's go ahead, you're going to pick up this part right here and take it off like so. You're not going to use it again, place it out the way. Okay, and you're going to take your squeegee tool and just go over any bits that you may see and just push them out. This works fantastic. Spigen have done a great job with this one. Do like this a lot. Seems to be working really well. You may have a few that just basically keep coming back, but all you need to do is just go over them and just force them out of the screen protector. If you think you've made a bit of a mistake, you can always go back and correct yourself, refit the jig and just do it all over again. Obviously it's going to take about 24 hours or so to adhere to the screen properly, but I always like to take the wet wipe again and just go over it. You know, you want to make sure that it's nice and clean, get all that crap off it that you may see. You may see a bit of dust hanging about. So let's go ahead and jump in, let's check that fingerprint sensor. Yeah, it works perfectly. I mean, I haven't even turned on the setting that it's got for screen protectors. It's just been a simple case of push and I'm in. So there we go, all fitted. Fingerprint reader works flawlessly every time, and I haven't even turned on the screen protector mode yet, but there you go. So you got oleophobic coating, 9H surface hardness to protect your Pixel 8 Pro. So what I'll show you for now is, before we jump into all the case videos that are coming, I've got the 2D indigo blue case with MagSafe on it. Let's go ahead and fit it in, and there you go. I mean, it's not far off touching the top corners, fits perfectly, and there's no raising or nothing like that. Looks great. So there you go, you've now got a screen protector on your Pixel 8 Pro. So let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. So that's the Spigen GLAStR Align Master. It's 2 packs, so you don't have to worry about making a mistake on your first one, or if anything was to go wrong, touch wood, it doesn't, but you got a backup right there. Links in the description down below to where you can pick this up for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I really appreciate it. Drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys, see you all soon.